morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you for joining me today. So, we're going to do waist beads. Okay. So you're actually going to start with the crystals. This is what we're going to use. And then we're going to go with our normal seed beads. Yeah. The medium size. And yay! It helps me to actually finish tedious works extra faster. If you don't have this, don't worry, you can use your hands and your needle to do like the pick, like the one I used in my previous video, the anklets. You can do that with it. So if you don't have something like this, don't worry at all. And then our cotton thread, I still stand with this. It's super cool. I think the cotton thread is super safe. I tried with the fishing wire, the threading wire for some time, and I had so many bad compliments at the end of the day. So I just realized that most of my customers were actually complaining they got torn and blah 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 of that sort. So I think this one is the best. I'm gonna stick to the olden days. I'm not gonna go away from it. I can't use elastic thread to make this waist beads. We don't use elastic threads to make waist beads. It doesn't happen like that. Someone called me yesterday complaining they bought a waist bead from someone, and then less than 3 weeks it has gotten torn. And then the guy was complaining. And I was like, if you don't do that, please, if you know you use elastic thread for waist beads, don't do that. It's not good. It wouldn't help your brand. Do you get it? So this one, stick with this. This one is super extra good. So if you buy it, this is how it comes in. Like, this is it. So this is how it is. Do you get it? So yeah. So that is how it is. So you actually remove it, and then comes in bulk like that. So you remove it, and then you have this. So if you want it to be extra smaller, because if the beads you're working with are smaller, you also open it into two like this, and then you divide it into two, like how I'm going about it. You get it? So this is how you work with it. So after everything, this is how it's going to look like. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. And then you get your normal sewing thread, any thread you have around. It shouldn't specifically be white, black, like any color you want. You just get it. You get some. This one, one of the workers actually taught me the skill, like this technique, and it's super extra good. You get it like this, and then you put it inside your thread like this. You get it? It ends up like this. You tie the end. Okay, you tie the end like this. You cut the excess, and then you open it like this, like the way I'm opening it, like this. Okay, so like this, and then you put your cotton thread inside it. So this is how it's going to look like. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. Yeah, so you get your thing. You pack it with your beads. The beads you're going to work with. The color you have a choice. So we're going to work with, and then your crystals. So with your crystals like this. So like this with your crystals, okay? The beads are small. Sorry for that sound. So you just put it inside it like this. Yeah. So something like this. Okay. So at the end of the day, after everything, so this is how it's going to look like in it, and then like what I said, it's gonna end up like this, something like this. Okay, so you spin this one fills it with your seed beads or crystals, not specifically in the pattern. Yeah, so then you pull it back. Okay. Wow, the seed bead is small. It's giving me problems. So basically, this is the, sorry for the noise. So this is basically the waist beads. Okay. So I think we have to, yeah. So actually, they didn't follow a formula because of the spin I used. Yeah. So basically, that's it. So this is how it is. But if you're arranging it yourself, you can actually arrange it with a pattern, like maybe 6 seed beads, 1 crystal, 6 seed beads, 1 crystal. But since I was using this pen, I actually couldn't get to regulate it how I wanted it. It just makes it by itself. So thank you.